We visited Italy last summer and the city is amazing. You can walk around beautiful streets, visit the old churches, and explore famous museums. There are colorful markets in the ninth square and there is lots art everywhere. You can also photos in small, quiet areas.
Besides, the food is delicious. There is some fresh pasta, a lot of pizza, and amazing gelato in every corner. You can drink good coffee in small cafes. There are many shops where you can buy souvenirs, little bags, and some handmade accessories to remember your trip. Everything feels warm and unforgettable.